The 2013 BMW X6 xDrive 50i. With just over 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors and seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, rain-sensing wipers, and cruise control. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.